go?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hello everybody. Today we're opening a new iPhone X. It's Adreya, baby, and I'm gonna show you how to open it. Okay. First, we peel the plastic off like this. Then, ta-da! We did it. I did it, Mama. I did it by myself. Then, open it. Okay. Can I whip this off? Yes. Yay.
Very careful. Okay, tell us about the phone.
This is Mommy's iPhone 10. Is this yours?
Yes.
Okay,
What do you think? Is it beautiful?
It's beautiful. And now we're gonna turn this up.
What is that?
This?
Mhm.
I don't know.
What do you think it is?
It's a plug to fix things.
Oh.
And charge that.
Oh, okay. What are those?
I don't. It's for charging it too.
Mm. So look, what's it saying now?
Hello.
Hola.
Hola. Hello.
Good. What does that say?
Beat.
Oh, okay. What's that say?
I don't know.
Me either. Adreya.
What?
Oops.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hola.
Yes.
Hello.
Hola.
Hola.
Hello.
Hello.
And what's that say?
Cool.
Ciao.
Ciao.
What's that say?
I don't know.
What's your favorite part about the new iPhone?
I don't know, Mama. Okay, guys. Okay, everyone. And now we have this. So we're gonna open this up like this.
And what does that do?
Gently. It's for battery things. It's for charging things too.
Oh, okay. Do you know what these are? Adreya?
These are for plugging, for getting it in your ears.
And then
like this.
When you put it in your ears, what happens?
You listen to something.
Very, very good.
You listen to loud things and have a. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye for now. And Adreya, so bye-bye, everyone. I missed you and I love you, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and click right here